Hi friends, welcome to Yogi Super Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very effective remedy for cough, cold and dry cough. For this we need Karpuravalli leaves or Indian mint 4 numbers. Then we need Tulasi leaves which is of 5 numbers. And then we need to grind it in a mixer. So let's transfer these leaves to a mixer. We need jaggery 1 tablespoon. Along with this, we need to add sesame oil, which is of 1 tablespoon. So let's grind this in the mixer. So this is how the paste will look, the grinded paste. So this can be taken on an empty stomach, around 2 teaspoons in the morning. This can be taken like weekly once by adults. So this is very effective for cold, cough, dry cough. So try this and let us know how effective it was.